Are you tired of being held back by your limited Excel skills? Do you want to become a pro and master the powerful Excel suite? Look no further than our Excel suite training. In just 10 days, you can complete all 5 courses and gain all the knowledge you need to become a pro. Each course runs for 2 days, and with our flexible in-house or on-demand training, you can book all 5 courses and we will schedule them to suit your needs. Our Excel suite comprises of Power BI, data analysis, and Power Query, Excel dashboards, financial modeling, and advanced charts for Excel. These courses will equip you with the essential skills to analyze data, create powerful financial models, and develop visually appealing Excel dashboards. No matter if you're looking to take 1, 2, 3, 4, or all 5 courses, we have discounts available for you. And the more courses you book with us, the more you save. Don't miss this opportunity to become an Excel pro and advance your career. Enroll in our Excel Suite training today